What you doing?
I heard Dad say this wasn't working right, so I thought I'd fix it.
How?
I don't know. Figured I'd just plug it in
Stop!
and
Remember what we said earlier about making smart choices? Think this is one? I don't think so either.
see. Wrong with it. There was a... But I thought there was...
Boys. Today, we can grow more grain and raise more livestock than our grandparents ever dreamed. That's because modern equipment, like tractors and combines, make us so much more efficient. But being around any kind of machine is no game. Modern farm equipment is big, fast, and full of moving parts. Each piece is as safe as the manufacturers can make it, as long as it's operated properly. Unfortunately, you may know some people that have had some accidents around farm equipment. They may have lost their hand, their leg, or even their lives. So when you're around farm equipment, the only smart choice is to follow the rules to the letter.
Everybody's got a tractor, usually more than one. Plowing, seeding, fertilizing, pesticides, baling. Along with the combine, it's absolutely essential in the modern farm. It's part of just about everything we do.
But the most important thing that you need to know about a tractor is that driving one is a one-person, one grown-up person operation. All the safety systems on a tractor are designed to do one thing really well. That's protect the driver. So hitching a ride on a tractor is not a smart choice.
Now the coolest thing about a modern tractor is that unlike the horse it replaced, it doesn't just drag stuff like seeders and spreaders behind it, it powers them too. It does this with a shaft called the power takeoff, or PTO for short.
The PTO works by turning really quickly, 9 to 16 times a second, which is really fast. Now, while this is totally convenient, it can also be seriously dangerous.
If you get too close, a spinning PTO can grab a piece of loose clothing, or even your hair if it's long enough, and drag you right into the machinery before you can do anything to stop it. So, don't go near it. And if you notice that the protective shields aren't in place, tell an adult right away.
By this point, you're probably getting pretty frustrated. You want to help out, but all you hear is don't. Don't go on the tractor, don't go near running equipment, don't even look at the PTO.
But you are helping, really helping, by knowing what's safe. See, you may not have the muscles to do a lot of this work yet, but there's nothing wrong with your eyes.
Your parents have a lot of work to do every day. A bunch of their work is stuff they've done 1,000 times before. Sometimes, when things get really routine, a person can stop noticing everything that's going on around them. That's what's really dangerous. But it's also where you can come in.
If you see something you know isn't safe, something you may have learned in this video, or the book that came with it, don't be afraid to speak up. Your eyes and your voice can be the difference between a good day and a very bad one.